Want to know what your annuity payments are worth today? Understanding the present value of an annuity can help you make more informed decisions, whether you're comparing contracts, choosing between a lump sum or regular payments, or planning for long-term goals. Today, we'll break it down for you: what present value means, why it matters, and how to calculate it. An annuity, when in the distribution phase, could be described as a series of payments you receive over time. But because money changes value over time due to inflation and interest rates, those future payments may not be worth the same amount right now. That's where the present value comes in. It tells you what all those future payments could be worth in today's dollar. This helps you compare options like lump sums versus regular payments, or evaluate the real cost or benefit of long-term income streams. To calculate present value, you need four things: the payment amount, how much you get each period; how often payments happen, yearly, monthly, or quarterly; the total number of payments you'll receive; and the discount rate, basically the interest rate used to adjust future payments back to today's value. These inputs help you estimate how much your future income is really worth now. There are two common annuity types to know. Ordinary annuity. Payments come at the end of each period, like yearly at year-end. Annuity due. Payments come at the beginning of each period, like rent paid at the start of the month. Because annuity due payments happen earlier, their present value may be higher. You're getting money sooner, which can be worth more in today's terms. Let's now walk through the key formulas you'll want to know. For an ordinary annuity, the present value formula is: for an annuity due, multiply that by 1 plus R because payments come earlier, where PV equals present value of the annuity, PMT equals payment amount each period, R equals discount rate per period as a decimal, N equals total number of payments. Now let's put the formula to work with a simple hypothetical example. Example 1. Ordinary annuity. Suppose you get $1,000 every year for 5 years and the discount rate is 5% per year. Plug it into the formula. Calculating this gives that means your $5,000 total payments over 5 years are worth about $4,329 in today's dollars. Example 2. Annuity due. Using the same numbers, but payments come at the start of each year, which equals because you get payments earlier, the present value is higher. Keep in mind, present value is an estimate. Factors like interest rates, inflation, taxes, and your specific annuity type can all affect your actual earnings. Use this as a planning tool, not a guaranteed outcome, to help compare and evaluate your annuity options. If you want to explore annuities tailored for your financial goals, check out Steady Pace from Gainbridge. It's designed to make annuities straightforward, flexible, and transparent. No hidden fees, just smart growth potential. Hit subscribe for more clear, practical financial tips, and visit Gainbridge.io to learn more about securing your financial future. Thanks for watching.